explosion-proof nano glass protection film. Woohoo! Hi, this is my smartphone. And as most smartphones, my smartphone has a display. And in earlier times I was really making fun of my father that he never removed the original display foil. But this time I also kept it on. It's just a plastic foil, so it's not tempered glass or something like that. So, and you can see it got really turbid here. The picture is not so crystal clear like it should be. The important thing now is to exchange this cheap plastic foil that is really ruining the clarity of the display a little bit with a real tempered glass foil. So the one that I got is from a company called OMOTON. Better than you want. Glass screen protector, tempered, waterproof, good touch, crack control, ultra HD, of course, anti-scratch, yeah. Fragile, and it's made of imported 9H hardness glass. Effective scratch and mark resistance, intermittence, blah, blah, blah. Screen sharpening, can hold water droplets shape. So this is super important. Super tempering processing. So it sounds quite fancy. Glass, 9H film. So this foil is really a little bit like a little booklet. You open it, it's really made out of wood. So what do they say about the tempered 9H film? Explosion-proof nano glass protection film. Woohoo! Quite James Bond-like. Be careful, fragile. Children should be accompanied by parents under use. So here inside we have protection film layers, coating, tempered glass, shatterproof and silicone coating. In most sets we have microfiber cloth, dust absorber, used to clear the dust on the screen, guide sticker. So with these guide stickers we can have a look at the alignment, and the same again. So what else? This is a mini version for getting out bubbles. So you don't need a big credit card. Some commercial, more detailed instructions and LCD screen cleaning cloths. These are wet. So warm tips. This screen protector can be installed multiple times. If there is a spot, bubble or section that does not adhere, gently and carefully peel off the screen protector and but also repeated removal may cause it to lose its adhesiveness. So you have a warm tip but also a warning. And then in the box, actually we have 2 screen protectors inside. I will de-dust. So I take a microfiber cleaning cloth here. I will also clean a little bit of the table. It's a good reason to be sure that no dust is coming from the camera. I wanted to go for a shower anyway, so I will first. So, freshly showered and back at the scene of attaching the display foil. The room had some time now for the dust to fall down, so let's get into it. After washing your hands, pre-position the screen protector to the device. Create a hinge by taping 2 pieces of guide sticker. This mobile phone is actually a little bit more tricky than others, I think, because it has a curved display. Clean the screen, first with wet wipes. Then microfiber. And then you can use the dust absorber stickers for the last little dust particles. Peel off the protective film. Put the screen protector press the center remove the bubbles. Okay, so screen protector is actually attached, and on the surface of the screen there are no bubbles, nothing. Just up here there was a little bubble which is actually gone now. Down here is the only part where I have 1, 2, 3 little bubbles, which might be due to a little dust. I think I will not pull it up anymore because it's not on the part that you actually see. Maybe it's still possible to remove them, maybe they're not permanent. Let's see. So actually all the small bubbles were also removable. No bubbles here, just there's one minor little, I think I will leave it like that. Actually the display looks much nicer than it used to. Definitely an improvement, so if you think that maybe a screen protector could be something for you, go for it, because I think it's far less possible to get scratches into this professional display foil compared to the one that was delivered on it. Thanks for watching and good luck for applying your display foil. I think it's always some risk that you have some dust particles, but remember a shower and leaving the room for some time alone might be actually quite helpful. And all the best. See you in the future.